Psalm 46. God is our refuge and strength, a help always near in times of great trouble. 2. That's why we won't be afraid when the world falls apart, when the mountains crumble into the center of the sea. 3. When its waters roar and rage, when the mountains shake because of its surging waves. Selah. 4. There is a river whose streams gladden God's city, the holiest dwelling of the Most High. 5. God is in that city. It will never crumble. God will help it when morning dawns. 6. Nations roar. Kingdoms crumble. God utters his voice. The earth melts. 7. The Lord of heavenly forces is with us. The God of Jacob is our place of safety. Selah. 8. Come see the Lord's deeds. What devastation he has imposed on the earth. 9. Bringing wars to an end in every corner of the world, breaking the bow and shattering the spear, burning chariots with fire. 10. That's enough. Now know that I am God. I'm exalted among all nations. I'm exalted throughout the world. 11. The Lord of heavenly forces is with us. The God of Jacob is our place of safety. Selah.